Hey buddies, let's take a look at the remix feature, which was in Adobe Audition and is now included in Premiere. So I've got a little music here to accompany a very simple little Premiere animation. Okay, so just about 15 seconds long there. Let's get rid of that. Let's drop in the original track. Now, like a lot of stock music, the timing is, about maybe a minute, minute and a half. Okay, and so I want to make this shorter. I don't want to just trim it down and fade it. Press P, use the pen tool, drag that down. Because that's a little bit boring. Okay, it'd be great to have a proper finish. So what I'll do is I'll go into the tools here and I'll select the remix tool. Okay, and now I'm just going to drag this and I'm going to drag it so it's about the right length there. Let's see how it does. So it's made it a little too long. So there's always a little bit of give and take with this. So I'll make it a little bit shorter. Now that looks about right. So there we go. And you can see these little squiggly lines. That's where it's made an edit. So if I play these, see, it's very seamless. Okay, so it's great for and now I don't have to just shorten it. I can also take the remix tool and make it much, much longer. Okay, so I can take a bit of stock music and I can make it pretty much any length I like to fit the video, which is very handy. Okay, thanks for watching.